my name is Riya Trivedi and I am planning to go to Canada for my further studies. Canada select करने के बहुत सी reasons थे and उसमें से एक primary reason था the quality of education. जब कनाडा जाने की बात आई तो I got to know about the English language proficient test requirement for that and I came to know about IELTS. The best thing I find about IELTS is their test structure. They have four formats like listening, reading, writing and speaking. So it is very much easy to understand for me as a candidate to give exam that what they want out of the exam. So I belong to Ahmedabad and I found one IELTS exam center near my home only. It is just a 20 minutes drive from my home actually. So that also was a plus point when I thought about giving IELTS. And it is not that IELTS is just accepted in limited places. No, it is very widely accepted and very much popular. You can ask for any person who went to Canada as a student or for immigrants that IELTS is definitely a go-to thing for them. Coming to the scores I got 8 bands overall, 9 in listening, 8.5 in reading, 7.5 in speaking and 7 in writing. So which is a very much satisfactory score for any country you want to go for, and I did this in just 15 days. The main thing that I want to say to get any good score is that once you are set in your mind that you want to give IELTS, just make up your schedule according to that. It is not going to help like कि देखा जाएगा या आता ही या हो जाएगा. You have to make up a schedule. You have to decide how how you are planning to prepare and what is the pattern of exam, what they expect out of you as a candidate. And the main thing that will help you the most in this is giving up the mock tests. Because ये एक टाइमली एग्जाम है, आपको टाइम के साथ कोप अप करना है कि 40 मिनट्स है तो 40 मिनट्स में ये करना है. So when you register, IDP also will be sending you one test series booklet of IELTS at your home address, whichever you gave in the registration, and you can please go through that entirely. It will be having 3 to 4 test series. Go through that. वो खत्म हो जाए तो you can find plenty of websites online. Just Google पे search करो कि IELTS mock tests. So उसमें you will be getting reading and listening tests evaluated also for free. आपको आपका score तभी on the spot मिल जाएगा. And there are number of tests literally unlimited and that is totally free of cost. And lastly, I just want to end up saying that don't be afraid, don't panic and don't believe in rumors. लोग जो कह रहे हैं कहने दो, उसमें सच नहीं. आप जब दोगे, जब प्रिपेयर करना स्टार्ट करोगे तभी आपको समझ आएगा कि ऐसा कुछ डरने वाली बात नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट अ लैंग्वेज टेस्ट. वो भी वो लैंग्वेज जो हमने ऑलरेडी प्राइमरी स्कूल हाई स्कूल में पढ़ा है, ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री उसी में करी है और वो हम यूज़ करते ही है. इट इज़ जस्ट अ टेस्ट ऑफ दैट, nothing else. So please, I'm just requesting and advising or whatever you say to everyone that don't panic or don't overthink about it. Just start preparing and understand the exam and you will surely get the man you wished for. Thank you.